Hello my dear student, today I am going to describe nutrition in human being. The human digestive system comprises of alimentary canal and associated with digestive glands. Alimentary canal also known as gut. Human digestive system. Human digestive system consists of alimentary canal and alimentary canal consists of different parts which is mouth, esophagus, stomach, intestine, rectum and anus. Here it is in detail mouth. Mouth consists salivary gland which secretes saliva, that is salivary amylase change starch into sugar. Teeth present in mouth which help in chewing and grinding of food. Tongue helps in rolling and tasting of food. Next one is the esophagus. Esophagus takes food from mouth to pharynx and esophagus by peristaltic movement. Peristaltic movement means the rhythmic construction and expansion of alimentary canal which help to pushing out food material into the stomach is called peristaltic movements. Next one is the stomach. Stomach comprises different gastric juices, that is pepsin, hydrochloric acid and mucus. Pepsin help in breakdown of proteins, hydrochlorics makes medium acidic and mucus protect inner lining of stomach. And liver secrete bile juice and pancreas secrete pancreatic juice. Small intestine contain million of villi in their inner wall which help in absorption of nutrients from the food material into the small intestine. Intestinal enzyme act on the different complex food material, that is carbohydrate, fat and protein. Carbohydrate converted into simpler form glucose, fats into fatty acid and protein into amino acid. Pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice secreted by the pancreas, that is trypsin and lipase. Trypsin act on protein and convert into simpler form peptones, and lipase, that is emulsified fats, that convert fats into the fatty acid, and cholesterol, that is simpler form of fats. And one more process takes place in the process of digestion, that is large fat globules converted into the small fat globules by the action of bile juice which is secreted from the liver with the help of process of emulsification. What is globules? What is fat globules? Fat globules are the individual piece of intracellular fat inside the cell that are formed by phospholipid which is insoluble in water. Emulsification is defined as process of dispersing of one liquid in second immiscible liquid by the interaction between bioactive compound and encapsulating material and provide large surface area in the process of digestion. Next one is the large intestine. Large intestine absorbs excess water and some salts from the undigested food. Rectum. Rectum is the temporary collection center of waste material which is dry other semi-solid form. One more thing, colon present in the upper part of large intestine which also help in the absorption of water. And last one is the anus. Anus helps in the egestion of solid waste material that is known as fecus. That is all about of human digestive system, which is comprises mouth, esophagus, stomach, intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus.